Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me. And today we're going to be making a magical unicorn horn hat for a special someone. My daughter absolutely loves unicorns. So this was a super fun project for me to make for her. This is also a really easy project that even my 4-year-old could help me with. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to make this project is a wide-brimmed hat. You can find these at most craft stores or online. We found ours at our local Walmart. Next, you will need felt in the color of your choice. I chose white, but any color would look great. You will also need a headband, hot glue, and a hot glue gun. Scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, a pencil, an X-Acto knife, and a little bit of patience. When I almost forgot. You will also need a star-shaped piece of cardboard or foam. Again, you can find these at most craft stores. The first step is to take your headband and place it on top of your hat to see where you need to cut. You want the headband to go all the way around the hat with about an inch or two extra on each side to be able to attach it. Once you have determined where you need to cut, use your scissors to cut off the excess hat material. Now take your headband and place it on the wrong side of the felt. Trace around the headband with your pencil and then cut around the trace line with your X-Acto knife. Next, flip your felt over and fold it in half lengthwise. Place the headband at the top edge of the felt with the right side facing up. Attach the headband to the felt using hot glue. Once the hot glue is dried, fold the felt over the headband and press firmly to make sure the glue sticks. Repeat these steps for the other side of the headband. Now take your hat and place it on the right side of the felt with the opening facing up. Align the edge of the hat with the edge of the felt and use a hot glue to attach the felt to the hat. Once the glue is dried, repeat these steps for the other side of the hat. You should now have a tube-like shape. Take the ends of the felt and pull them out slightly to form a cone shape. Use hot glue to secure the ends of the felt in place. Let the glue dry and then trim off any excess felt. Now take your star-shaped piece of cardboard and trace around it on the front of your hat using a pencil. You want to trace both the inside and outside lines of the star. Carefully cut out the center of the star using an X-Acto knife. Repeat these steps on the other side of the hat. Now take your unicorn horn and place it between the two stars. Hot glue the horn to the hat. Let the glue dry and then add a little bit more hot glue to the tips of the horn to make it look a little fuller.
Oh, white.
Once the glue is dried, your unicorn hat is complete. This hat is so cute and my daughter absolutely loves it. She loves to twirl around the house wearing her new hat. If you are looking for a fun and easy project to do with your kids, I highly recommend this one. They will love the finished product, and it will make a great addition to their collection of hats. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun Ds and crafts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.